Hey gang, welcome to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a electric dog collar. This is fantastic by LINKPETOU. Let you know it's an electric dog training collar. Features are designed with vivid icons, very important. Has 3 safety modes, training collar, has beep, vibrate 1 to 9 levels, and shock 0 to 18. And a long range, very long range on this remote control, and 2 channels, super important. All right, let's get into the unboxing.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. I'm looking at a professional dog training collar from LINKPETOU. They did send this to me. It did compensate me to do this review. I'm going to show you exactly what's involved in this package, what's inside, and how it works. Most importantly, you want to know how it works? Well, you got the right video. Stick along and stick with me, and I'm going to show you how it fits on my little dog here. So this is how it comes in the package, just like you see. Do a quick unboxing. I'm not going to get into too much of the I really just want to get into the actual dog collar itself. It does come with a warning here. Don't use this on aggressive dogs. Do you want to train your dog responsibly? It gives you a lot of hints and safety uses, so follow the guidelines. Also, it does give you a manual that I did look at it a little bit earlier, and it's very well laid out and pretty easy to use and pretty clear. But follow me and you'll be able to learn all about this dog collar itself, how it works. What's in the package? So what's in the package is a remote control in here, okay? A little QR code, you can scan that with your phone. What that does is it gives you a brief information about the package itself, about the item, and give you some information. And just on the package itself, it does say it is 1,600 foot range. It says that. It's IP67 waterproof collar. It's got a safety lock and 2-hour fast charging. So this is the remote control, which is kind of cool. I like this remote. You can see here on the back, on the side, it does have a lock. So lock and unlock. So that's really important for safety. So you don't want to accidentally either shock your dog or accidentally trigger a sound. So that's important to have that on that on-off. That lock and unlock button is right here. That's what's on here. Easy to read display. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Also, it has with a USB-C charger. It has one USB-C charger to charge your device, and also the collar. That's the only pet peeve I see with this, honestly, to be honest with you. They should have gave you a dual cable. Some come with dual, some come with single. This is a single. That way you have to charge the actual collar itself and the remote, but shouldn't be an issue. It does come with a tester. We'll test out the itself. Make sure that it's actually sending a shock. You can actually see it, and that's what this is all about. So that's cool. And the collar itself is in here, and also some different accessories that we'll go over in a minute. So let's get this out of the way, and I want to show you a little bit about this. Okay, so here's the actual dog collar itself. So really simple. There's a power button on the back. It's on off. Here is where you actually put your charger right here to charge it, USB-C charger right in this area right here. Here it is right here. USB-C right there. You charge that up. That's so you can just charge up. And then within, like I said, with under 2 hours, it's charged. Here's a protective that comes like this. So when you put them on your dog, make sure you remove these. These are just to protect the prongs so you won't get accidentally shocked. It does come with the prongs, as you can see here. And also they do come with some extra ones as well. So you have some short ones and you have a little bit longer ones. Now the reason why they give you shorter ones and longer ones, because different breeds have different lengths of hair. And so the idea is if you have a very short hair dog, you want to use the shorter prong. And if you have a very big dog or a lot of hair, things like that, you want to use a longer prong. So they give you 3 sets of prongs, small, medium, and large, we'll call them. So this looks like the medium one to me. There's large ones and small ones in the package, which is really nice. That's a really nice feature. That's a bonus. A lot of companies don't give you all that. So I like that. Here is the tester. So the tester is you just put it on top of this when you're ready, and this will light up and let you know that it is working. So that gives you that idea. So how do you turn it on? What do you do? How does it work? Let's take a look at the collar first itself. Here is the collar. It's a nylon, adjustable nylon with a snap clip. So super easy to put on your dog. We'll get onto that in a minute. Will pretty much fit any breed, I imagine. Looks like it goes quite a bit. You can get a pretty large, yeah, that's a pretty big opening there. So there should be no problem for most breeds. Should be no issue whatsoever. And you want to put it on so it's just snug and just enough to hitting their skin a little bit, and that's it. Not too tight. And that's how you want to set that up. So what you want to do to turn it on, super easy. There's a power button here. Just so you see here, how do you turn the power on? There's a little button in the back here. You just hold this button down. Just hold it down, you'll see it beeps, and then you go, and it powers up, and you're good to go. Let you know the battery's full, and everything's good to go. It's super easy to start up and to turn it on. And to shut it off, all you do is hold it down again. And that shuts it off, just like that. Okay, now that I have everything hooked up, you can see here all the colors are coordinating here. So I want to show you how you control the actual shock and also the sound. So put it on shock here. You can see, hopefully you can see the 7 is here. It's hard to see it. See that 7? That's 7. So you want to do is hold down the memory button, hold down again to 7, and now blinking, 7, 8. Hopefully you can see that. 9. Hopefully you can see that changing. That's how you change the shock settings. Okay, that goes up to 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 18. So it goes up to 18 on that. Okay, you can see that up and down. And if you want to adjust the sound, you just go to sound, not the sound, not the sound. If you want to go to the vibrate, okay, you have to hold on memory button. That's blinking now. Then you can adjust the memory on the vibration, and that's how that works. You can hear the different sounds of that changing. Let's go up 9, a little bit deeper. Hear that, little different sounds. Right, so you can see all that. So that's how you control it. So you hit you'll see a blinking. Hit the memory button here. You see that 7 blinking in the green. Hit the red, and then you'll see hit it again. You'll see the 16 red blinking. That means that's controlling that. Okay, so it tells you, gives you feedback. Hit the memory button. There's the green that does the vibration, and the red does the shock. So that's how you can. Then once it's blinking, then you can adjust the up and down in the intensity, and that's how that works. 2 and 1, right? Those are the vibration settings. A little bit deeper. Yep, a little bit deeper. You can hear that little, you can see it actually responding with that. So that's how you can adjust that. So to hit that, you hit the memory button, and then you can increase the side. That's 7. A little bit higher tone, a little bit longer. Hear that again. So that breaks it down very easily. Again, quick charge, USB-C right here on the bottom. It plugs in right here, as you can see. Really easy to use. Once you learn the hang of it, it gets down pretty quick. And I just want to show you the actual charge itself. I want you to see this. You can actually see it does work. I'm going to put this on, and you're going to see this light up. Okay, I'm going to hit the charge, and you can see that. See how it's blinking? That means it's getting electricity. That way you can check it to make sure, okay, something's wrong, it's not working correctly. You can actually just say, okay, there it is working, I'm getting response. And that's really nice and helpful. That gives you that tool to actually check the actual shock and make sure that it's working correctly. So that's what I have for you today. It really works well. Let me just put it on my demo dog. We put these safety prongs on just so you get an idea what they look like. And just give you an idea. In general, it's a small dog. And this kind of sits just like this here on their collar. Now it looks kind of big on him because this is a little toy dog, of course, but an average dog would be fine. Then you can just feel underneath that where it's sitting, where the prongs are hitting, make sure they're sitting correctly, and then you can adjust this collar to sit appropriately to your dog. So that's what I have. All right, guys, I want to thank them very much for sending this to me. Hope you learned a little bit about this actual product, how to use it, functionality. Like I said, it's like everything else, you have to learn how to use things, but once you learn how to do it, it gets pretty easy. Quality built, nice, made out of good quality plastic, made out of plastic. This is nylon. The snap is high quality. Everything is super high quality all around. This is not going to fall off your dog. So if you're looking to train your dog and do it properly, I think this is really one good way of doing it. And I definitely highly recommend that the build and the quality all stand up to what I think is good quality. And it's fantastic that they offer these things to help train your dog. And I'm a real big believer in that. So I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to watch the other videos on the channel. I have so many different things for you to learn. I appreciate your time as always. And thanks for watching.